All right. Hey, everybody. I just wanted to share with you this brushstroke number three concept as a quick writing exercise for today. So here's what brushstroke number three looks like. It looks like this, right? If our basic sentence is the raccoon enjoys eating turtle eggs. Cool. If we add in this brushstroke number three, we get a little description of that first noun, right? So the raccoon, comma, a midnight scavenger, enjoys eating turtle eggs. It's a little bit better, a little more descriptive. If you want to get real fancy, this is called an appositive, but you don't need to know that as long as you know how to use it in your writing. Let's look at a few more examples, and then I think you'll be like, okay, cool, I get it. Here's another example. The tank, comma, a massive monster of a machine, rolled slowly through the town. Cool. Justin, comma, a small and frail kid, comma, was afraid of wrestling other kids in gym class. A couple more. Jamie's house, comma, a brand new mansion at the top of the hill, stood tall and looked down at the rest of the neighborhood. Or Jackson, comma, a true perfectionist, stormed out of class when he got a 98% on Mr. Rasband's most recent math test. So you see how these work, right? You could always take this part out and it would just be a normal sentence, right? So Jamie's house stood tall and looked down at the rest of the neighborhood. Or Jackson stormed out of class, right? But we're just taking a moment to pause and kind of give a little bit more information or description for this, opening noun. If it's Jamie's house or Jackson or the tank or Justin or whatever. Okay, so here's what I'm going to ask you to do. Take a moment in your notebook and jot down. Try one of these. Pick one of these pictures. I just put some random stuff up here, and see if you can give it a brushstroke number three sentence. Right. So the volcano, comma, blah 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 blah, comma, destroyed the entire town. Whatever. Cool. So give this a shot. Again, like most of the brushstrokes, this is not hard to do, but remembering to do it and choosing to do it in your writing is the actual like key to kind of improving as a writer. Great. Okay, so I would pause the video or just let it finish and then give it a shot. Try one of these in your notebook, and then go try it in the writing that you do today.